Yeah, we're out for a walk. Had a little bit of rain today. Just enough to soak the ground up a little bit, which was nice. Keep it from crusting over. There's a bean that's just starting to poke through. The beans are just underneath, so another one right there too, just starting to come. It's been so cool here, unseasonably cool. Just highs in the 50s. Today was a little bit warmer, but here's the corn that we planted first. That's that you can row. That's coming up nice. So waiting on the beans now. By the middle of the week it's supposed to be in the 80s, so hopefully that's the case, and that pushes this stuff along so we can spray and get back on the trail again. I talked the other day about the flooding issues we have. That's our farm there. Our church is the brick building right there that we attend. It's called Riverside. And the reason it is this is the east branch of the Augrey River. Augrey is a little town that we live in. And there's the main river that runs through town. And this is the east branch that joins into it. And one of the main reasons they had for flooding was because this east branch overflowed all the time. So the locals took it into their own hands. They actually cut the river off here and dug a ditch straight out to the lake. The lake's probably 3 miles down this road. So yeah, they completely diverted the river. We're about 2 miles upstream from where I was just filming there. So all this water used to meander through that woods behind that farm there and over on an angle toward our church. Our farm is right over there. But there are times in the spring, 2 years ago especially, we had a big heavy rain, and this will flood over. It was probably close to that house down there. And close to the woods down there, this whole thing was running over top of the road, probably about 6 inches deep, and it'll just run across the country, the water will, when the river flows over. So it'll still do it occasionally, but it'll take a big rain, or when the snow's melting in the spring, if we get a big rain, it'll still flood the countryside.